What's up guys, back again with another video. So I'm going to show you how to use padding in CSS. Padding is the space between the border and the words and elements that you have inside of your box basically. So between edit and this border we just made right here, that's the padding that we can add. Right now it's 0 obviously because it's touching. So let's say we want to make it spread out a little bit or something. We can do 5 pixels and then reload, and there we go. Now it's 5 pixels on each side. There's already some right here for some reason. I'm not sure exactly why, but yeah. So yeah, okay. So, so if we change this to 50 pixels, it'll obviously be bigger now. See, look. See, on each side it's now 50 pixels plus the little space that's there for some reason, which is whatever. Okay, so also what you can do, you can change it to a specific side. So we can do padding left. Oops. Padding left is 32 pixels. And then we reload, and there we go, 32 pixels on that side. And every other side will be 50 because we set it to 50 right here. So we can do padding bottom. Oh, wait. Bottom to 0 pixels. And there, now it's like that. Okay. So also you can do top and right, of course. Okay. So padding dash top, padding top dash top. Yeah. And right, yeah, okay. So there's one more way you can do it. You can do pad. Well, let's go back here. Okay, so the last way is you can do it all in one. Basically, you can specify each side, but in one statement thingy. So we could do it goes from top to right, from bottom to left. So clockwise. Okay, so if we want the top to be 5 pixels, we put 5 pixels, and the next one, which will be the right, if we're going clockwise, can be 20 pixels. Then the bottom will be 20 pixels also, and then the left will be 10 pixels. So if we reload, now it's like that. See? Okay, so if we go ahead and I'm gonna set the width of the box to 100 pixels. Okay. Let's try 65. There we go, that's better. But anyway, so now what we're going to do is make multiple boxes here. So 2 more. And now they're stacked upon each other, okay? So if you want to make this look a little neater, we can try to minimize the space under here. So just change this to 10. Wait, no. That would be this one from clockwise position. There you go. See, now it's shorter on the bottom here. And there will be another way we can space out between each box, which will be in the next episode called margins. So, yep, I hope you enjoy. Wait, no. We're not done here. Right click one of these boxes, click inspect, and then we're going to pull up the box model, which is right here. And as you can see, the width is 65, of course, and then the padding that we just set is now 5, 20, 10, 10. See, just like we have here, 5, 20, 10, 10, clockwise, right? And also, don't forget you can do it manually, of course, or set it to all of them being the same. So if we reload, they'll all be 50 now. See? So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Leave a like if you liked it, subscribe if you want to subscribe and see more, and peace.